to do a video of a Tsugami S206. It was new in 2011. It has an Edge Minuteman 320 SE bar feed. It's a Fanuc 32i Model B control. You have an MP Systems high pressure coolant system, coolant pan with coolant pumps. I'm going to start by running the main spindle. That's 2,500 RPM. That's 5,000 RPM. I'm going to ramp up to 7,000. That's 7,000 RPM. Nice and quiet. We're going to run the back tools. Back there. That's 2,000 RPM. Extremely quiet. That's 4,000 RPM. Stop. Then we're going to do your C-axis. It's a full C-axis. Index to 90. That's 182.2. You have 276. Now we're going to do your other live tool, your other cross tools. That's 2,000 RPM. That's 4,000 RPM. All right, now we're going to switch to the back spindle. Start the back spindle. That's 2,500 RPM. That's 5,000 RPM. And that's 7,000 RPM. Do the rear C-axis. That too is also a full C. Now we're going to do your back drills. That's 2,000 RPM. That's 4,000 RPM. Now we'll jog the axes. That's your Z. You have scale feedback on the Z1 and X1 axis. That's your X. Your Y. You have your X2 for your sub spindle. Z. And your Y. That about does it. This machine can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.